Hello, my name is Alex. You are listening to 8 Story, a short story podcast. Short stories, clear English, real-life moments. Listen at home, listen on the bus, listen anywhere. Relax, just relax. Enjoy the story. Let's begin. Sam opens the door of the pizza shop, and a small bell rings above him. A man behind the counter smiles. Buongiorno. Good afternoon, the man says. Hi, good afternoon, Sam says. My name is Marco, the man says. Welcome to my shop. My name is Sam, Sam says. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Marco says. Are you ready to order? Can I see the menu, please? Sam asks. Of course. Marco gives him the menu. Sam looks carefully. I have a question, Sam says. Yes? What is on the margarita pizza? It has tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and fresh basil, Marco says. Is it vegetarian? Yes, it is vegetarian. Is it spicy? No, it is light. It is simple. Do you have different sizes? Sam asks. Yes, small or large. What size do you recommend? If you are very hungry, large is better, Marco says with a smile. Sam laughs softly. I am very hungry. Can I have a large margarita, please? Of course, Marco says. Do you want anything extra? What toppings do you have? Sam asks. We have mushrooms, onions, peppers, and black olives, Marco says. I love olives. Can I add black olives? Sam asks. Yes, Marco says. Large margarita with olives. Anything to drink? Marco asks. Do you have still water? Sam asks. Yes, Marco says. We have still water, sparkling water, orange juice, and lemon soda. I want still water, please. Cold or room temperature? Marco asks. Cold, please, Sam says. Okay, it will take about 10 minutes. Is that okay? Yes, that is fine, Sam says. Please sit anywhere, Marco says. From his table, Sam watches Marco working. Marco puts flour on the table. He presses the dough with his hands. Pat, pat, pat. Then Marco lifts the dough and moves it in the air. Sam looks surprised. Wow, how do you do that? Sam asks. I practice every day, Marco says. After a few minutes, Marco brings the pizza. It is very hot. Be careful, Marco says. Thank you, Sam says. Sam takes one bite. He pauses. Oh, this is very good, Sam says. Is everything okay? Marco asks. Yes, Sam says. But can I have some extra napkins? Oh, I am sorry, Marco says. One moment. Marco brings napkins quickly. Thank you, Sam says. You are welcome, Marco says. I think I made a mistake, Sam says. What happened? Marco asks. I think small size was enough. This is very big, Sam says. No problem, Marco says. You can take the rest with you. We have pizza boxes. That is perfect, Sam says. Where are you from? Marco asks. I am from London, Sam says. Oh, I want to visit London one day. What do you do in London? Marco asks. I am a teacher. I teach history, Sam says. I like history, Marco says. But I love pizza more, Marco laughs. Sam laughs too. That makes sense, Sam says. You like your job? Sam asks. Yes, Marco says. I like meeting new people. Every day is different. I understand, Sam says. I like meeting students. After some time, Sam stands up. Marco, can I have the bill, please? Sam asks. Of course, Marco says. Marco writes on a small paper. The large margarita is 13 euros. Olives are 1 euro. Water is 2 euros. The total is 16 euros. Marco says. 16 euros, Sam repeats. Do you take cards? Sam asks. Yes, Marco says. We take cards. We also take Apple Pay. I will pay with my phone, Sam says. Marco brings the card machine. You can put your phone here, Marco says. Sam holds his phone near the machine. Beep. It is done, Marco says. Can I have a receipt, please? Sam asks. Yes, of course, Marco says. Marco gives Sam the receipt. Thank you very much, Sam says. You are very welcome, Marco says. Come back again. I will, Sam says. Maybe I will try the pepperoni. Next time, Marco says. Sam opens the door. The small bell rings again. Outside, the street is calm. Sam is holding a pizza box. He looks at the receipt. Then he smiles. Large margarita with olives, Sam says quietly. 1 hour ago, he did not know the difference between margarita and pepperoni. Now he knows. He did not know how to ask about size. Now he knows. He was not sure how to pay. Now it feels simple. Sam walks slowly toward his hotel. He takes out his phone. I just ordered a large pizza, all in English, Sam writes. He pauses. And it was easy, Sam writes. Sam smiles again. He puts his phone away and keeps walking.